Alright, we're going to do a quick demo on how to use the strapping table. The strapping can be used in many different ways to put the turtle on the package to protect the packaging. This is one way to do the front. The poly strapping machine, very easy to use. You have the strap here. Simply place the box right on the edge. You're going to wrap the strapping around the front. If it's not quite long enough, there's a green button on the front here that'll release it. You have to be very careful on where your hands are. You don't want your hands getting caught under the strap. You're just going to simply place it in the channel here. It'll pull it tight, and then just go ahead and rotate the box depending on where you want the turtle. For this one specifically, I want it on the front. If you want it on the side, just be mindful of which way you're putting the box on. So I'm going to go ahead and do my second strap now. There we go, the box is fully strapped. And then if you want to come in a little closer here, the turtle simply just goes under the strapping like this pattern right here. You'll see there's a little catch there to keep it tight, and just go ahead and press it closed. Now at the point of sale, when it is time to sell, you have a magnet that's located at the front counter. Just going to simply put it on the top of the turtle here and then press to release. That'll release the turtle. We recommend that you sell it with the strapping on the product. Real easy, just throw it in, put it on, and you're done. This box is now protected. If the strapping was cut or loosened, it would set the device off. A couple settings on the strapping machine that I'll show you real quick. This green button right here, this is what's going to advance the strapping further if you need more. The yellow button, if the strapping machine doesn't cut right the first time or it gets jammed, go ahead and hit that button and it'll do a full cycle. The next two, this is the package tightness. I generally recommend it in the first or second here. You'll kind of have to practice with it. If you go too tight, it'll crush the box. And the last setting here, this is just how much strapping it'll start with each time. When you turn the machine on, this is the off position, this is the on position. It takes about 2 minutes to warm up to get going on the machine use itself. If you have any questions, give us a call at Watcher. Thank you.